today's little adventure, we're going to be building set 40639. It's a 9+ set. It's the bird's nest. There's 232 pieces. We got 2 baby birds, mama bird, 3 colorful eggs, some flowers, a nest. You can see on the side, versions. And it says actual size of the egg here. So, yep, that's about it. All right, so let's open up our box. Yes, I burp when I open boxes for some really odd reason. Okay, so got our little instruction booklet. We have our bags. We got 1, 3, and 2. All right, so you know I like to empty my things out, so I'm gonna go ahead and just open my bags out and just know that this is number 3. I'll leave the bag up there for now. Number 2. Looks like that number 1 is the mama bird. Not sure if it's the baby bird, but definitely the mama bird. Number 2 is the nest. Number 3 is the eggs. Could be looks like the baby birds too. So yes. Alright. So I'm gonna put this little 2 bag here just so I have it. Put those guys kind of further away at the table. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and build our little set here. Look at our booklet. See what we got going on. Yep. So like I thought, there's the mama bird. There's the mama bird in the nest, and then there's the mama bird, the nest, and the baby birds and the eggs. So we're gonna go ahead and start. I just finished bag 1, and we got our mama bird. So you got her tail, you got her wings that can go up and down and move and forward. Why take our wing off? Don't do that. All right, so we got that. Go down, go up, go side. Got her beak, her eyes. Okay, so now we are on to bag 2, which is building the nest. So we finished bag 3, and this is the nest so far. Okay, we're gonna add our bird right there. So I think we're doing Oh, look, she can kind of, I love it. She can zoom on her nest. Okay, we all know how to get little things to spin. Okay, on to bag 3. Just finished bag 3 and we got the little bird. I like how this one has its mouth open and this one has its mouth closed. So, all right, and then we got our eggs here. So it really was just the 2 birds and the eggs. Oh my gosh, it's just so wonderful and so adorable, and I love it. I love this little nest set. It's very springy, spring, because I love spring. But it's just, I just love it. I love the flowers, I love the birds, and what's exciting is that I can use this set, the instructions, to make other birds with different colors. I'm super excited about this. I'm excited, guys. That's all I gotta say. I'm super excited. Anyway, thank you for joining us for today's little adventure, and please join us for our next Today's Little Adventure.